Today let's do a short practice for beginners on how to use the yoga wheel. Okay, so we'll start here with the wheel behind your back. You can sit with your legs crossed. I'm just going to lean back and just start to get a feel for it, how it feels to have the yoga wheel behind you, to lie down over the wheel. You can hold the wheel here. When you feel more comfortable, you can lean back over the wheel. And you can just simply breathe here, relax your neck and your head over the wheel, and you can just relax and breathe here. Okay, when you're ready, come up. Okay. So now bring your feet to the floor and gently start to rock back and forth. So when you go back, you lift the hips off the mat. And then come forward. And you can really feel this massage on the upper and middle back. Okay. So now as you move back, stay there. And you can bring your arms behind you. You can bring your hands together. Or you can extend the arms behind you. Bring the hands to the floor. And you can also bring the hands to the wheel. Okay. When you're ready, extend your legs. And then you can lean back on the wheel. You might feel this as a very deep stretch. And you can bring, now one thing that you need to be careful is with the hair. The hair doesn't come under your wheel. So now you can bring the head to the floor. And again, you can stretch out the arms. If it feels too much on your back, you can bend your knees. Okay, you can also bring the hands here to the wheel. And you might feel this opening of the chest and on the upper back. Okay. Now another thing that I want to show you here, when you're ready, you can bring the forearms to the floor. Okay. And don't be afraid to test it and move the wheel, move the body. Okay, so if you hold your wheel here, your forearms come to the floor. Okay. Now, if you're ready, you can also stretch out the legs here. Okay. And just release and slowly come back down. Okay, come back down again. Bring the soles of your feet together. And butterfly. So now you can lean back here, recline, butterfly. Now when you're ready, you can lift the hips off the floor. And just simply lean back over the wheel. And then slowly, gently come down again. Okay. Another thing you can do also with the wheel, Just to bring your hands to the wheel. And we'll do a forward bend. So just roll out the wheel. And then when you're ready, come up. Okay. You can also bring your legs to the wheel. Good. And then from here, you stretch out. Okay, so you can hold your heels, you can touch your toes, and then come down. So that's it, a very short and easy practice for you to get started with your yoga wheel. So if you like this video, remember to subscribe and hit on the thumbs up to receive all the notifications about our next videos with more practices for you with yoga, fitness, mindset, and wellness.